Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add category tags to blog posts in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to organize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts on your blog. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left menu where you'll see various options. Look for the one labeled Website and click on it. This will reveal additional options underneath, and you'll want to click on Edit Site. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit if you have multiple sites under your account. After selecting the appropriate site, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click on it to enter the editing interface for your website. Now that you're in the editor, focus on the top menu and find the option labeled Pages. Clicking on this will display all the pages currently on your website, giving you a complete overview of your site structure. From this list, locate your blog page and click on it. This action will direct you straight to your blog page where all your posts are managed. On your blog page, you'll see all the posts you've published. Go ahead and click on any post that you'd like to add category tags to. This opens up the post editor where you can make changes to that specific post. Here's where the magic happens. Look down to the lower left corner of the screen and you'll find an option called Post Option. Click on it to reveal more settings for your post. Within these settings, find the section labeled Category. You'll see an option that says Add Category. Click on it, and you can now add your new category tag. This helps organize your posts by topic, making navigation much smoother for your readers. Once you've added your desired category tags, head up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see an Update button. Click this to save all your changes and apply the category tags to your blog post. And that's it. You've successfully added category tags to your blog post in Weebly. This simple organizational tool can significantly improve your blog's user experience by allowing visitors to quickly find content that interests them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.